Who there? What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Give here with another reaction. Move your hey! And today, guys, we're here with Skeng, the Ratty Gang lead out. Ratty Gang fans, one of them, big up on yourself. We're there with Skeng, Demons Awake. You know this is gonna be grimy, evil, and dangerous, right? Chuck on the headphone, change the scene to the scene, and jump at the scene and hear what the G are dealing with the scene. Let's go.
Beast of the air.
For the dark, you know, man.
We want things are new. It's new.
The truth, big up.
Benjamin, we believe. RG, one thing. Nobody even feel the same since the money and the fame. Mount a king, the palm my brain. Like the fuck, my even care.
Alright. So this one's a bit slow down. So I must say, yo, him not feel the same. Through the even though a lot of money and the fame in see. You understand?
The same since the money and the fame. Mount a king, the palm my brain. Like the fuck, my even care. Papa pill is the pain. Like a laughter the same.
Then they even care, just pop a pill and just use the pain. I feel drugs that. Only just have to just allow the youth, make the youth do him thing, brother, and just just allow him, dog. Just don't make him live him life, bro. Him live him life. So looking at it, he's just being himself. And that's all you can do in this life. Be yourself. You see me? If popping pill of fame thing, love him. If popping pill of fame, smoking weed might be your thing. You understand? Yeah. We just don't want the kids them do it. We just don't want the next generation do it. You understand? But if that's Skeng thing, that's the Skeng thing. Because myself, Ratty Gang.
Nobody even feel the same since the money and the fame. Mount a king, the palm my brain. Like the fuck, my even care. Papa pill is the pain. Like a laughter the same. How my feel, my want to let dirt and sit to wait a space. Like my time, my best to fuck up what my demon, them my wake. Him my singing on my ears. Every night and every day. Every tongue in the valley and I see I hilarious. Ratty Gang hard the way. We are the future, we are the flame.
Yeah, the future, we are the flame. Yo! Big up the editor for the video. You can see the bottom of fly. That's not easy to put in it. Big up the editors them. You see me? Make the video complement the lyrics. How will it be a
like the fuck my even care. Papa pill is the pain. Like a laughter the same. How my feel, my want to let dirt and sit to wait a space. Like my time up.
I must say, yo, I'm feeling him want to left dirt and to sit to wait a space. Because for whatever reason, him just don't want there so no more. Him just want there space by himself. You understand? Yeah. Yeah.
Laughter the same. How my feel, my want to let dirt and sit to wait a space. Like my time, my best to fuck up what my demon, them my wake. Him my singing on my ears. Every night and every day.
So them demon, them a talk to him. Demon, them a singing on his ears, bro. Every night and them talk to him. Like, and once you have a demon that it's not a good thing, you know. It's not a good thing for have demons that talk to you.
What my demon, them my wake. Him my singing on my ears. Every night and every day. Every tongue in the valley and I see I hilarious. Ratty Gang hard the way. We are the future, we are the flame. How will I rain? No feel no pain. And then me fuck, me can't believe this had again. Them try to stop me, but obey. Can't my fuck, tell them behave. Pan walking, me.
Man say, dark your fuck, tell them behave. Hey, if you don't behave a grave, dark your fucking man. Darkness.
How will I rain? No feel no pain. And then me fuck, me can't believe this had again. Them try to stop me, but obey. Can't my fuck, tell them behave. Pan walking, me. Tell them so in the play. Respect I go on the ways. If you say disappear, they come on carry up here. Shake the place like I'm a gate.
If you disappear, like basically, right? They say, Emma Show say, yo, me nobody for you play with, dog. Me nobody for you play with, brother. So you better just chill and just go on with your business. You see me? Yeah, just like fuck around and find out if you really want to know what go on here. So, yeah.
Tell them be a pan walking, me. Tell them so in the play. Respect I go on the ways. If you say disappear, they come on carry up here. Shake the place like I'm a gate. Hear me up to set the thing, no see me out the pan the way. Nah.
I have to check the him have to set the thing because him out the pan the way. Him have a girl pregnant. Big up yourself, my G. You don't know. You become a father now. So once you become a father, you start your life different. But not even a father. Once you become a parent, you just start your life different. You understand? You stop live for yourself alone or you live with somebody, you have a meaning to live. The boss tell us, say, yo, right now, I have a youth pan the way, I I have to set the thing a different way, you know. You see me?
When you play, respect I go on your ways. If Eddie said disappear, take come on carry a beer. Shake the place like I'm a gate. Hear me up to set the thing, no see me out the pan the way. Now have time for you carry load the rhythm but the bass. 10 nights when I'm away. First day I walk the road that win the fate. Ask mommy man a pan, no still in the vein.
Ask mommy man a ban us in the vein. Mommy know that. Mommy know that. So me a ban us in the vein from me. From me I go infant school, me a hustle. Me a thief people, me a thief little picnic crane and sell it back. You know, me a thief and I sell back. Give me your lunch money and take the little crane. Thief, it's called thief and sell. Yeah, it's called thief and sell. I thief and I sell it back. So I thief something from you and sell it back to you. Yeah, I'm hustling. Fuck.
And here carry load the rhythm but the bass. 10 nights when I'm away. First day I walk the road that win the fate. Ask mommy man a pan, no still in the vein. If you do this properly, it's like the key to the safe. Bread about the pie, beside at the gang name.
If you do this properly, it's like key to the safe. Like, yeah, you have it. You have it locked, bro. Like,
road that win the fate. Ask mommy man a pan, no still in the vein. If you do this properly, it's like the key to the safe. Bread about the pie, beside at the gang name.
Big up Rack the gang. Big up the Racky fans them. More in the comment section. I represent. That is it, man. That one are different by Skeng. That one are very different. Yeah, different.
Pan get to star from the ghetto where you mean. Have my fam. Pan get to star from the ghetto where you mean. Have my family me needs. I'm want how you feel. And you can't slow me down. Me have killers on my feet. Double check and check the stats. Them my baby to it. We kill a band. We know we a shiny beat. Me set me thing up and I live a dog and I set the bread. Pop how we a lead. Simple as I said the team. We are the mothers and the sickest set up it me ever did.
Yo, power up. Oh, we are lead. Me say, yo, we are, like him say, the team, not because we look simple and we just do it. Like, we are the mother set up picking them ever do this. True. I agree.
Me set me thing up and I live a dog and I said the bread. Pop how we a lead. Simple as I said the team. We are the mothers and the sickest set up it me ever did.
Truth record, big up again in a man. Yo, Skeng, big up yourself, me bro. Like, yeah, do it, fam. Yeah, do it. And them can't take it away from you, say, you're one of the first one of them right now in a dancehall where I do the thing, brother. You're one of the artists them right now, bro. And your space in a dancehall field, brother. Your space, like I've said this before, you're different. You're different. And me say to protocol to reaction. When Tommy Lee just forward out, Tommy Lee did have him own like a gothic style, him own like a, not even the only one doing that. Now you have your rock star style about you. So you have a space in a dancehall, brother. You see me? Yeah, brother. And you flow up on that one, you're different, bro. It's bad. Tough. I'm not joke. Different. So yeah, show your versatility to me, say no, say you're there for stay, dog. You take your thing serious, my G. You see me? But that's why I'm big up all of the Ratty family, them Panawan, all of the Ratty gang family, all of the crew, big up on yourself. You see me? Big up all of the fans, them truly say you're Ratty, you see me? Big up on yourself, see him where Skeng is arguably one of the artists in a dancehall right now, and we can't take that from him. So big him up. But this is how I'm gonna leave that one, yeah. I'm not telling you if you subscribe now. Me I go stop telling you to subscribe. If you don't like it, you don't know what to do. That's all me I go do. Alright? So big up on yourself. I'll see you in the next one.